Well, g'day, mate. This is AF intake tune-up. I just done a basic tune with a rev gauge, we call it TAC. It was bouncing just under 14,000 revs, so I richened it up just a bit more. But this is not a comparison to the other saws, just making sure it runs and pulls properly. Right, here we go. It's hard things. Got a zip tie to hold the side open, choke's not on there, but right, so here we go. I've got the screwdriver. So if you haven't watched what this is, go back in my videos some time ago. It's got an airplane wing on the intake manifold. It's 52 cc's. It's a 372 XP carby modified to fit, and I ended up putting some rubber tubes in the anti-vibrations here to make sure the carby snaps back to idle when it's finished. But, here we go. I warmed it up. So it starts there. There you go. Goes quite well. Hey, technical hitch, and this thing came loose at the last second, but I've got safety measures in place so it can't fall out. But anyway, as usual, thanks guys for watching.